The RT M140-181 adapter package for reach trucks requires no dedicated floor space and can be set up on any level concrete surface that has no overhead obstructions. This adapter package comes on a heavy-duty cart and can easily be removed by using a forklift and straps to lift the adapter. This releases the adapter's weight from the cart, allowing the holding plate to be removed. Then simply lift the adapter, remove the cart, and lower the adapter to the floor while slowly backing up the forklift until the adapter is completely on the floor. Once the adapter is positioned, bring in your first mobile column and slide the forks into the pockets on the side of the adapter. Then repeat this step with the second mobile column. Now, rotate all 4 of the retainer hooks, positioning them over the top of the column's lifting carriages. Slowly drive and center the forklift fully onto the platform. Raise the forks until they are just under the front bar, and place the appropriate spacers on each cab corner to assist in leveling the forklift. Now, raise the forklift 3 to 4 inches off of the ground, and check that the center of gravity is correct. If it is not, lower the unit and repeat the prior steps to achieve a well-balanced load. The lift can now be raised to the desired height, and the technician can perform the required maintenance under the unit. Rotary also offers the PT M140-182 adapter that allows for pallet trucks to be lifted. Lifting these vehicles off of the ground allows for better access and visibility for inspections and repairs, easier seal replacement, easier tire replacement, easier static straps replacement, better accessibility to the narrow aisle steering arm for bushing and bearing replacement, better accessibility for caster and pin replacement and adjustment, drive unit replacement, and inspection for frame failures or cracks. Increase technician productivity and decrease fleet downtime with Rotary's reach truck and pallet truck mobile column adapters.